This video is an overview of the MyBible app. The MyBible app is a free app. It runs on Android and it runs on iOS. It does not require internet to run, although you will need internet for the installation and the downloading of modules. One of the really fantastic things about the MyBible app is that it has translations of the Bible in over 300 languages. These are available as modules that can be downloaded for free. So you'll notice here on the top left of the app, it says KJV. If I tap there, that pulls down all the Bibles that I have downloaded. And so I have a Baptist Bible downloaded here, this BA 1996, and tapping there takes me to the Baptist Bible. Again, tapping in this top left corner pulls all the different Bibles, and then you can select whichever Bible you would like, or whichever Bible you have downloaded. And so here I have a French Bible, I have a Kiswahili Bible, even have the Bible in the original languages. Tap on ORIG2 and you'll see it pulls up the Hebrew text. So let me take us back to an English translation. So the MyBible app also supports multiple windows, which is really handy if you want to look at different translations. So here on this plus symbol, if I tap on the plus symbol, it pulls up another window that has and in this case it has the Kiswahili Bible. So here on the top I can be looking at English, and then in the bottom window I can be looking at Kiswahili, or I could click here on this BHN or tap on that BHN, and I could then say let's pull up the French Bible. Tap here on the BFC, and now I have the French Bible. So English on top, French on the bottom. So the multiple window support is really handy. To close this second window, I can just come tap on this X, and that takes me out of the second window just back to the first window. To navigate between books and verses is super fast with MyBible. So here it always tells you where you are, and if you tap there, it brings up a selection so you can easily select what book you want to go to. They're color-coded by grouping, so it makes it really easy to find the grouping quickly. So if we want to go to Matthew, I can come here, tap on the MT. To go to chapter 1, I can tap on the 1. Then to go to verse 1, I tap on the 1 again. And we're in Matthew, verse 1, chapter 1. It also has multiple reading plans and a scripture memory system. And those things are found here with this shirt pocket type icon. And if you tap on it, you'll see you have your memorizing and reading plan. So that can be a handy feature. The searching is very fast and comprehensive. And so the search symbol, the little magnifying glass, if you tap on that, it brings up the search window, and here you can see I have run and race, and it's done a search on run and race. But we also could do a search on, if we wanted to think about and I've tapped here to get us up to the search. I can think about where does the Bible talk about maybe resting and entering. So I can just type rest and enter. Tap on the search icon, and here I get this spot where all the places where rest and enter is used. If I scroll down, you'll see we have these verses here in Hebrews about a promise of entering his rest. So searching, super fast, super easy. Can click on this left arrow to take me back to my text. There's great forward and backward navigation. These little arrows allow you to move backwards and forwards, so we can tap here and go back to our Genesis passage, or we can tap forward and go back to our our Matthew passage. It also has lots of options. If you tap these 3 vertical dots, there's lots of things that you can configure and do beyond these basics that I've just shown you. So it's really quite a powerful app. It does have a few cons. Not all Bible translations are available. So if you're looking for, say, the NIV, the New American Standard, the ESV, those translations are not available in the MyBible app. Lots of other good translations, just not some of those. Additional resources, so commentaries, dictionaries, other books that you might want, are pretty much limited to what's available in the public domain. Overall, it's a great app. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.